Say, Socks, what you want to do? You want to go for a ride? You want to go in the convertible for a ride? Or you want to go in the truck? I say we take the Burt. Let's take the convertible. Hang on, I'm coming. Let me show him this. Let me show him this in here real fast. And then we'll go for a ride. Been doing a little work over here. A couple of little bit of things. Trying to get her going. Going hot. We're going hot. Doing things. Setting up shit. It's coming around now. I'm only lacking a few things now. Shit, what am I lacking?